Hey guys, we're Florida Parks After Dark. Hey, we are here back at Pop Century. And we're here at Pop Century for one reason only. There's been serious changes to this resort and we've got to show you it firsthand. Now, you've seen it from our other videos, some of the construction. We're seeing what it's going to look like now. So let's go in now. This looks very familiar. They had the curtain up, they had the construction done. But they've already opened up this section. Look how different. Now they have this entire open section here with a table and chairs. The desk is different. The back of the wall there is different. They have the primary colors out there. Pictures are gone. It's a cleaner look. But that's the only part of it. If you go back to some of our other videos, and we have a number of videos about Pop Century if you love this resort, this wall where the curtains were, they were shadow boxes with items from each decade that's represented here at Pop Century. Well, they're removing all that. And here's what they're putting in place. They've got this mural. So I'm guessing as you go through the different decades, the mural changes. This looks very 1960s to me. It has the peace signs, and Daisy kind of looks more like a hippie, and so it kind of has that 60s vibe with the flower power, like the pool out here, the primary pool. So my guess is, if I'm a betting man, let's come around the corner here, and there it is. Okay, now here's the 1950s. So far we got the 50s and 60s. You got the 50s cars, the big cars that are huge, right? And then you have Minnie with the Bobby Soccer with her sports jacket with the M for Minnie, and she has a poodle skirt on, but you can't see it. You got the bowling pins, which is part of the 1950s area. So it looks like they're going this way with it. 50s are going to be your 60s, so obviously 70s, 80s, and 90s will take up the rest of this wall with the black. Then they're going to remove the rest of this, which is there right now, the check-in desk. So when they remove that, the question lies, is what are they going to put on that back wall? Are they going back to prints? Or are they going to have pictures of the different decades? Or are they going to stay primary colors and have much cleaner lines here? We don't know. But what we do know for Florida Parks After Dark, we're here so regularly, we will make sure you guys know first thing when it happens. So with that being said, we're going to say goodbye to Daisy. You guys have a great day, and do me a favor, like this video, do me a favor, subscribe to our channel, and we'll keep showing you things as things change, as Disney continues the construction projects. Take care, have a great day.